Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. In this video, you will learn how to do screen mirroring with Vivo V30 Lite smartphone. First of all, in your phone, go to settings. And here select network and internet and click on hotspot and tethering and click on Wi-Fi hotspot and turn on this button and if you want to set any password for your hotspot, click on security and select anyone here and set a password of your choice. Okay, password should be minimum 8 characters. Here you can set your password. Here I don't need any password, so I just select none because I just show a demo to you, so no other person can quickly steal my hotspot. So just I keep it no password. Okay, now come to your TV and select settings. There go to TV settings. Here select network and internet and turn on Wi-Fi and you will be receiving the signal from your phone, that is hotspot signal. Just click on it and your TV will be connected to hotspot. Yes, it is connected to your hotspot. Okay, through your hotspot it is connected to your mobile device actually. Okay, now come to your phone and go to Google Play Store. And search Google Home and this is the app that you should install. Okay, just click on install and it will be downloading and installing. Just wait few seconds. Yes, it is now installing. Through Google Home app you can easily screen mirror. Okay, yes, click on open and click on get started. Here click on next, give permission if it is asking, and now you have to choose your Google account. If you have many account, it will be listed here and you can choose any one account here. I select this one and click on OK. Now it will ask you to allow nearby devices. Just click next and give permission. Just by clicking allow you can give the permission. Next it will be asking your location access. Just give it. While using this app you can give. Next it will ask you to turn on Wi-Fi, but don't do it because if you turn on Wi-Fi, already created hotspot will be disconnected, so connection between your phone and your TV will be lost. Okay, so don't do it. What you got to do is just close this app. That is a Google Home app screen should be closed immediately and then again open Google Home app. Okay, again go to home page and search home. You will find the Google Home app. Just open it and click on next, and here it will ask you to choose assistant. If you want to assistant, click on this and click save, but it is not necessary, and so I just click on not now. Okay, now click on devices and you will find the TV signal here. This is the TV signal, that is a name read as Android TV is the TV signal. Just click on this device. Okay, that is through hotspot this device is connected to your phone and it will be seen in your Google Home app. Okay, your TV is connected to your phone through hotspot and Google Home is used to detect it. Okay, now click on cast my screen and click on cast screen and click on start now. Now your phone screen will be mirrored to TV. See here, see in the TV what is exactly in my phone, that is available in my TV too. Okay, So whatever you open in your phone screen, that will be seen in your TV. Suppose if you play any video, that will be also playing in TV. And if you would like to adjust volume for your video, yes, you can do it. What you do is, here you can just adjust the volume. Okay, if you want to decrease the volume, you got to move it in the anti-clockwise direction. If you would like to increase the volume, you can move it in the clockwise direction. Okay, also you can adjust the volume from your app, it's your TV remote itself. Okay, I now adjust from TV remote. Okay, if you click on, if you long press on plus symbol, it will increase. If you press on minus symbol, it will decrease. Okay, so this is for controlling the volume. And if you would like to show anything on your TV, yes, you can do it. Okay, so see here, I gone back and it is disconnected. To disconnect mirroring, just go back in your TV and it will be disconnecting. And now see, whatever I open in my phone, here I opened app, list of apps in home screen, that is also seen in TV. Okay, so in this way you can easily connect your phone and screen mirror. Okay, so whatever you open, here I open this AI score app, that is also seen in my TV. See, that is also available in TV. Okay, now I open settings page is also in my TV. See, so in this way you can do anything on your phone, that will be exactly in your TV. So this is called screen mirroring. Okay, you have mirrored your phone screen exactly in your TV. Okay, so in this way you can easily do screen mirroring from your phone Vivo V30 Lite to any Android TV. Not only this Android TV, here I have used MI 4A Pro TV. If you use any other company Android TV, yes, you can do it. Okay, you have to simply locate to the Wi-Fi option in your TV and you have to connect hotspot created in your mobile. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.